Hello viewers, this Not Too Fast here. In today's video I'll be reviewing this very unique design portable refrigerator. This one here is from the company BODEGACOOLER and it has two separate compartments for holding your food with separate temperature control for each compartment. Now besides powering it with a DC power cable or the AC power adapter, you can actually power this fridge with a Dewalt power tool battery. With this feature, it is truly portable and cordless. This fridge also has built-in Bluetooth connectivity, so you can control it with a mobile app. I'll show you all these features in this video, so let's get started. Right here is the Bodega WD45, which is a 45 quart portable refrigerator. Now this is a pretty big unit, that's why it comes in this very big box, and it weighs about 33 pounds. I'll unbox this and show you the fridge. And here's a look at this Bodega WD45 portable fridge. Let me give you some spec on this. The outside diameter is 28.8 inch wide by 16.8 inch deep and 19 inch high. You can adjust the refrigerator temperature from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 68 degrees Fahrenheit. That's equal to -20 degrees Celsius to 20 degrees Celsius. On the right side you have this indent to help you move this around. Above that there are two tie downs to help you secure this in your vehicle. Now this refrigerator has three ways of powering it. One is with AC power adapter. The second method is to use a car's DC 12 volt or 24 volt to power it. And this fridge also has the ability to install a tool battery like a Dewalt battery or Makita battery to power this fridge. At the bottom there are two wheels here to help you transport this. On the left side you have this pull-out handle, and above that there are two tie-down hooks. Looking at the front, right here is a bottle opener. Above that there's a control panel for setting the temperature. Now next to the control panel, this compartment is where you can install the tool battery to power this fridge. Over here are the two compartments for putting your food. Looking at the two fridge compartments, each compartment has a built-in LED light, one on the left side, one on the right side. Both compartments are about the same size. Each have a capacity of 25 quart. Now you can set both temperature to be used as a fridge, but if you have some frozen items, you can set this right side to what they call an ice cream mode. And this side has a fast cooling mode. It's able to drop the temperature from 68 degrees Fahrenheit to 32 degrees Fahrenheit in 15 minutes. Now one nice feature about this fridge is both compartments have a drain plug. This makes cleanup a lot easier, and this is something I've not seen in other brands. To remove the drain plug, just pull this out. Inside these two boxes are the battery adapter that you can plug into this fridge. Now the one that comes with this fridge is for the Dewalt battery. If you need adapters for other brands, you can contact the manufacturer and order the other adapters. And if you look on the front, it does say it's suitable for Dewalt. Inside this box is the AC power adapter and the DC power cord. Right here is the cigarette lighter power cord. And this one here is the AC power cord. Here's a look at the battery compartment. You can fit two tool batteries in here to power the fridge. Now if you're not going to be using the battery to power this fridge, you can use this compartment as a storage bin. It's fairly big, so you can put things like keys, wallets, or cell phones in here. And to show you how this battery power system works, I have the adapter here and the tool battery. This one is a Dewalt battery. We want to just slide this into the adapter like this. And now you install this into the fridge. Here's a second adapter, and this is a Dewalt aftermarket battery. And here you can see both batteries are installed. You also have the option to use a DC power cable or the AC power adapter to power this fridge. And both cables have this end that you can plug into the fridge. Let me show you how to operate this fridge using the control panel. Right here is a power button. Press it once and the unit will turn on. There are two temperature readings on the display. The left one is for the left compartment. The right one is for the right compartment. Below that is the voltage. This is a DC input voltage. Now if you want to adjust the temperature, press the plus and minus button to adjust the temperature. So here I'm setting the target temperature to 30 degrees. And then after a few seconds, it'll display the current temperature reading. Now if you want to adjust the temperature on the right compartment, press the plus and minus once, and then press the settings button. This will flash. Now you can adjust the target temperature for the right compartment. If you want to turn off the left compartment, press a plus button and a settings button together and hold it down for 3 seconds. and now the left compartment is turned off. If I want to turn off the right compartment, press the minus button and the settings button, hold it for 3 seconds, and now the right compartment is turned off. Now you cannot turn off both compartments at the same time. One of them have to remain on. To turn the right side on, press the minus button and the settings button again for 3 seconds. And now this will turn on, so you have both sides on right now. For the right compartment, there is also an ice cream mode. With that, it will drop the temperature to minus 22 degrees Celsius or minus 7.6 degrees Fahrenheit. To enable the ice cream mode, press the minus button for 3 seconds. And now the word ice is shown on the display. To exit the ice cream mode, press and hold the plus button for 3 seconds. Now if you want to change the unit of measure from Fahrenheit to Celsius, press both the plus and minus button together. Here you see E1, press the settings button and scroll over to E5. Now you can press the minus or plus button to toggle between Celsius and Fahrenheit. On this main display, if you press the settings button, it will toggle between Eco and Max mode. In Max mode, the compressor will run in its highest cooling capacity. If you set it to Eco mode, you'll still maintain the temperature, but the compressor will use less power. I've gone ahead and plugged in both Dewalt batteries and I disconnected the DC input. I'll turn it on right now using only the 2 batteries. And here you can see it does show you the 2 battery voltages. Above the voltage, there's also a battery meter for both batteries. So you can see how much power is left in the battery. Now if the battery is very low power and you want to charge them, it is recommended you turn off the fridge, because if your fridge is on, it will take longer to charge the batteries. Now this fridge can operate with 1 battery also. I'm going to go ahead and disconnect one of the battery. So I just pulled out one of the battery. And you can see this fridge is still running. But keep in mind, with 1 battery, the operating time is going to be a lot less. With the design of this fridge, having the option to power this fridge using power tool batteries is a total game changer, because this truly gives you portability wherever you go. You're no longer tied to using the power cord. Now besides using the Dewalt battery, Bodega Cooler does offer a rechargeable battery made specifically for this refrigerator. And let me show you the battery that fits in this fridge. This is a rechargeable lithium-ion battery. It's rated at 11.1 volt and the capacity is 15.6 amp hour at 173 watt hour. Looking on this side, you have the power button here. If you press it once, it will show you the charge level right here. Now you can turn this battery on and off. So if I press and hold this power switch, it'll turn on the battery. When you're using this battery in the fridge, you do need to have this on. Now install this battery with the contacts on the left side. To fully charge a battery, it will take about 3.5 hours. With this fridge, you can also use a mobile app and connect to it and control it remotely. In the manual, you can scan the QR code to install the app, and the app name is QZ Smart. After you install the app, you'll need to sign up for an account. Next, add device. I'm going to add the device manually. Select car refrigerator. Now this fridge is a WD series. Select this one. Here it tells you to power on the fridge and then power off after 10 seconds. Now press the plus and minus button together for 5 seconds. Next, select your Wi-Fi. Enter your password. Next, connect the phone to the fridge. Now you see a Smart Life device. Select that. Now add the device to the app. This fridge is now added. Once I turn on the fridge, you'll see the temperature reading on the left side and right side. You can also set the left temperature and the right temperature. You also have the on-off button at the bottom. And this is how you can use this app to control this fridge. Now there's one thing I want to point out about this fridge. If you're using this without the battery in this compartment and you're powering using the DC cable on the side here, when you turn off the power and turn it back on, this fridge will not turn on automatically. What I mean is, let's say if you're using this in your vehicle, like the way I have it powered right now using this DC cable, and if I turn off the ignition, let's say if I have to fill up the gas tank or stopping somewhere, when I come back to the vehicle and start it up, the fridge will not start up on its own. I have to open up the back hatch, go over to the control panel here and press the power button to start up the fridge. Now if I am using a battery pack, obviously when I turn off the ignition, the battery will continue powering this fridge and it will not turn off. Let me show you what I mean. Right now the car is on and the fridge is powered on. I do not have any battery in here, so it's powered using the DC power cable you see right here. I'll turn off the engine and start it back up. And turn it back on. You can see the fridge does not turn on its own. If you press the power button, then it will turn on. So there's a big inconvenience because every time you stop the vehicle and start it back up, you do have to go to the control panel and power this on. Otherwise, this fridge will remain off and all the stuff inside will not be cold. Now, I do like using these portable fridge because if you're buying groceries or you're on a road trip, it helps keep all your food cold. And with this 45 quart portable fridge, you have the option to power it with a battery pack. And this makes it a truly portable and cordless refrigerator. At the time of this review, this portable refrigerator retails for $5.50, and there's a $70 off coupon you can apply to get additional savings. If you're interested, check out the link below. I hope you enjoy watching this review. As always, thank you for watching. Thank you for watching this video. To support this channel, remember to click on thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell so you get notified of new videos.